Hi, I'm Sula and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bratwurst in the air fryer. I'm doing it in the air fryer because some days the outdoors is not really friendly for grilling. And today is one of those days. So, air fryer to the rescue. Now I use the Instant Pot air fryer lid. And just so you know, you can use these principles for most any air fryer. They all work a little bit differently, so use this as a guideline for trying this out with your own air fryer. This is very simple. All you need is brats, really. A little bit of oil for oiling the basket. And I also like to use a little bit of liquid smoke. It helps give it a little bit of that smoky essence, if you will, like you get from a grill. The difference is very subtle, so this is definitely not a requirement. To start, I put a little bit of liquid smoke, just a couple of drops, in the inner pot of the Instant Pot. And to that, add a little bit of water, just to kind of dilute it throughout the pot. Then put the air fryer basket inside of that pot. Once the basket is in place, I like to grease it a little bit with some oil. You wouldn't think this would be necessary because brats kind of have a lot of grease of their own, but they do tend to stick when they cook in the air fryer. So I like to oil the basket a little bit and just kind of take that out of the equation. Then place your brats into that greased basket. This basket will fit about 5 brats, which conveniently is exactly the size of package they seem to sell them in anyway. Kind of squish them in there, that's okay. Just don't make extra layers. You want a single layer of brats in your basket. Now the brats are in place. Take your air fryer lid, place it on top of the Instant Pot, and you set the cycle for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At about midway through the cycle, this air fryer will beep at you to tell you to turn the food. And to do that, you remove the lid, turn over each of the brats, and then replace the lid, and the cycle will start up again automatically. Of course, the air fryer signals to let you know when it's done. Lift off the lid, and we're ready to take them out. They look beautiful. And with that, we have a delicious batch of crispy brown bratwurst made in the air fryer. No outdoor grilling required. I hope you try some soon. Thanks, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.